Hey guys, just woke up and I went up to my dining room and I noticed this little package from OWC, Other World Computing. This would be the RAM I ordered 2 days ago, I think. 2 or 3 days for my iBook. So that's very cool. Sorry for that. Let's see, where else do I have to cut it? Here. Sorry for that, I was having issue with this part. Let's see. Now let's see if I can figure this out with one hand. There we go. And sure enough, we have RAM. Cool. What else is in here? Order form. Some cool packing stuff. Awesome. Alright, now let's see if we can get this RAM installed. Let's see. Doesn't look like it today. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me go find a screwdriver. Now we have to remove this heat protection plate thing, and as you should be able to see, we have some very small screws. So I dug around in my basement and managed to find a screwdriver that would work. In case you're wondering, that would be Phillips double knot. Let's see. I think for the RAM retention clips I might need. Nope. Bam. I'd like to say that's Apple original RAM, but I don't have anything to back up that claim with. So, let's see, like this. And down. Well, you get the general idea for that. I don't think it's in all the way, so I'm going to mess with it.